How to add a credit card to your PayPal account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can add a new credit card to your PayPal account. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can add your credit card, debit or bank card or bank account to your PayPal account, and these are basically called funding sources. When you create a subscription for PayPal service, you pick one funding source, credit card, bank account or PayPal balance, and PayPal will charge this funding source periodically to pay for your subscription. Now in order to add a new credit card from your PayPal homepage, right over here you can see you want to make sure you are logged into your account, and you have to click on the link a bank or card option, which is at the bottom of the screen. So as you can see over there, once you click on that option, choose whether you would like to link a credit or debit card or a bank account. So as you can see, it says link a debit or credit card. When you choose the link a debit or credit card, simply enter your card or account information and click the link button to finalize your new payment information. So as you can see, it says card type, so you can simply choose credit card or debit card, whatever you want to. And once you've done so, you can just go ahead and then confirm the changes. And that's all it takes to add a credit card to your PayPal account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.